One more thing I might not have gotten to, the relay up here. Just get a good look at where all of those go. And it goes down. Okay. So those connectors there. That wire goes down there somewhere. And down and back it looks like, around the top of the transmission. And this red cable goes into here and goes down to the starter. And it bolts in like so. Red goes to the positive battery cable and black does not. So, get a good look at that. And back up to here. So, the big red cable goes into the top wiring harness bracket here. And the bottom one, well, who knows? They all go up into there and split across the firewall. And the purple, green go into that guy. And the black wire comes out of that. And the gray wire that comes out of the bottom left corner of the top harness connection. Oh wait, no, that's not it. Out of the red comes two black lines. A gray one comes around and goes into the voltage regulator. The red and green, the red and black I should say, the red and green wire, which is the same wire, goes in there. The black wire goes into that harness as well. So the harness runs right, has a purple, gray, and green wire. That actually is purple, black, and green. And that goes into that guy there. And it goes along. And there's a red, gray, and black wire. They come out here and go to the voltage regulator. And it moves along to here, where it splits again and goes down into there. Those are a yellowish and a greenish wire, it looks like, maybe white, and another bundle, smaller bundle that goes down. And then it's bracketed there, keeps going some more to another cluster that goes down in there, and that's where it stops. So there. That appears to be the path of the harness going left. Okay, one more time. Harness comes out. The brightly colored ones come out and go up. And going left, we have, it looks like, it stays bundled. And that goes down this side of the car. And that's what runs along the engine with that wire that comes out, a single wire that comes out and goes to the oil pressure sensor guy, and then the black wire that turns into the green wire that goes into the HEI relay. And then it traces along and has the brownish wire that goes to God knows what. And the green wire that goes to the alternator here. And the black wire, which goes to the alternator here, which has the yellow wire that goes back to the red wire in the HEI relay. So I think that's about everything. There's just that one rogue wire here that runs along and over to this connection here on the compressor. Alright, just meanders back along and down, and it's kind of loose. We're probably going to need to bundle that up. And that goes up, is bundled here, and it goes to one of two connections here on this guy. So it goes to that one. So the one that's not against the R134A. That line goes, let me make sure here. It goes along, and yes. The one that goes to the R134A connection, that one goes along here, up along the top, and in there. That's where the ballast resistor used to be. Don't need that anymore with the HEI system. And that's where the ground strap goes. It just kind of bolts to the chassis right there. So, I think that's just about everything wire related under the hood. So hopefully I don't screw myself up too badly in the future. If I do, I apologize to my future self. And you have my permission to beat the crap out of me. So, I guess I'll move on to still pictures now.